That bird's been following us forever, right, Tom? Now he's chowing down on some fish. And his crow buddy up here is like, fuck you, motherfucker. I wanted some fish. Yep. Jealous. Whoa. Whoa, look at this raggedy ass looking bird right here. Our bird that got our fish, like, he's badass. Walking away. Whoa! Whoa! It's getting intense! Bird fight! Whoa! He is like the most badass bird. He's like the leader of all the birds. They're all dirty motherfuckers. Whoa. Whoa! Where'd my bird go? Oh, there he is. He's a crazy motherfucker. Hey, what's up, birds? I think it's over. Whoa. That seagull is totally majestic. Whoa! This is crazy! Whoa! Hey, crazy seagull.